Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate about our SYTRAK RTLS, both indoor and outdoor tracking solution using BLE, LoRa and GPS technology. So the main objective of this solution is to track a person or an asset whenever they are moving continuously in the indoor as well as outdoor environment. So let's look into the system components. So we have SYTRAK RTLS Smart Tag. So where this tag is being enabled with GPS, LoRa and BLE technology, where this tag has a rechargeable port over here and it has turning on and turning off power button. Also it has SOS button where if you press the SOS you will get an instant alert. You can see once here. And you can manually turn off this SOS like this. And next system component is one more. And we have BLE based beacons where this beacon will be placed across the different zones of your facility. It has almost 50 to 80 meter of the coverage area, depends on your RF environment and the facility infrastructure. And also this can be easily attached like using the magnet. Like you can attach with the metallic structure like this. Also it has 5 years battery. It has a 5-year battery and it is a replaceable battery we have inbuilt. And next we have LoRa based gateway where we have used this for a long range communication. It can cover up to 500 meter to 1 kilometer of your facility. Like for example, you are having almost like 40,000 square meter area. So 1 or 2 LoRaWAN gateway will be sufficient for the long range communication. Also, we have a RTLS server where this RTLS engine is running and it will send the data to the backend and you can visualize in the dashboard. So now we'll look into how it is working. So as I told, this beacon will be placed strategically across your facility in a distance of 50 to 80 meters. So this smart tag that we have, this smart tag will be continuously scanning for these beacons. So whenever if the smart tag scans any particular beacon, so we will be assigning a zone A for this beacon and zone B for another beacon like that. So whenever it is scanning one beacon, it will represent in the dashboard as this particular zone. So what if you can ask me a question that what if it scans multiple beacons at the same time? So here we have an algorithm where we have implemented like RSSI strength, where it will only show you the nearest and the RSI strengthened beacon in the dashboard. And once this tag has been scanned this beacon, so this will send a data to the LoRaWAN using the LoRa communication. So this LoRaWAN gateway and then this communicates the data to the server, RTLS server. And finally we can able to see all the data in the dashboard. So now we are going to see the live demo of the RTLS, like SYTRAK RTLS solution with both indoor and outdoor tracking. So we have, as I told, like we have the dashboard over here where you can see the zone A, zone B and all those things. Like if the GPS is enabled, you can see the Google map. And then we have the beacon which will be placed in the zone. So and also we have the tags, SYTRAK RTLS smart tags, and we have the LoRa based gateway. So now I am placing one of the beacon in zone A. Like for your reference, we have a small setup like zone A, and I am placing one beacon over, like as I told, this is magnetic, like I am just attaching to in the zone A. And then we have another beacon that I will put in the zone B. So we have zone B over here and I am attaching our BLE based beacon over here. So now we have the SYTRAK RTLS smart tag where it is scanning continuously for the BLE beacons. Now I am very near to the zone A and you can see So beacon is there, and this is zone A for the reference, and you can see in the dashboard that this particular the contract worker tag is on the zone A. And now when I move to the zone B with the tag attached with me, you can see in the dashboard as zone B. So as for the reference, we are near the zone A and the tag is attached with the person. Now we have the zone A, and if the person is moving, like you can see in the dashboard and zone A. And now the person is moving towards zone B. And now you see the person is near to the zone B, and let's check in the dashboard whether we are getting the zone B or not. Now you can check, we have the contract worker have been moved from zone A to zone B. So now we have seen the movement of the tags from zone A to zone B. Now we are going to look into the GPS location which is then outdoor tracking. Now the person is going to move with the tag in the outdoor location. Now the person is not in the coverage area of the BLE beacons. Now we will be able to see the GPS coordinates of the tag. See, as you can see, like here the contract workforce till now it was in the zone A and zone B. Now it is changed to GPS, and you can see the live coordinates in the map. So now we have seen both zone A and zone B movement as well as GPS tracking. So this is the seamless indoor and outdoor tracking solution of SYTRAK RTLS. When the person is carrying the tag with the BLE beacons, so once it comes to the range of the BLE beacon, you can see that GPS location of the contract worker will be changing to zone A or zone B. See, now it has been changed to zone A as the person is near to the zone A. So now we are going to see how this SOS is working. So the tag now is near to the zone A, and let's see how the SOS alert is coming in the dashboard. So the person will press the SOS button, and immediately you will get an alert in the dashboard that this contract worker is having the SOS or any kind of emergency. So once he is manually turning off the SOS, you will get that same alert in the dashboard that you can see as over here that SOS is cleared, that contract worker.